Make sure you are carrying the keyless access remote, whether it's in your pocket, purse, bags, and you're gonna do a really quick 1-second kick in and out, right down the middle. I'm gonna show you on the vehicle. There is a little divot and you can see the line. You'll kick right under there, in and out, once again, really fast. 1 second worth. And you can open and close it this way. Once again, I'm gonna go in and out, 1 second kick. Lights will flash, tailgate opens. And I'm gonna close it one more time. Real simple, in and out. Tailgate closes. Here we have another MDX. I'm gonna do the same thing. I have the key in my pocket. I'll walk right up to it, find the line straight down from the Acura symbol badge. In and out kick. The tailgate opens. And then a little in and out, down the middle again, close. As they say, practice makes perfect, so just make sure to find that line, go in 1 second, in and out with your foot, and you'll get it.